I am so excited right now. I ordered this desk chair September 19th and it finally came. I could scream. Been wanting a new desk chair for so long. I just wanted something very comfortable and cute for my room, and I found the perfect one in September and was so back ordered. Oh my goodness! I'm so excited. Okay. She's beautiful. I am in love. Beautiful, stunning, comfortable. I cannot wait to edit in it. I got from CB2. I'll be linked down below if you're interested in it. I was looking for so long. We're going to say goodbye to the old desk chair. You know, I just had her here for the meantime. She has been so kind, useful, but it's time to upgrade. Oh my gosh, perfect! It truly is perfect. Wow.
Hello, Ramona. I can't shake the simplest feeling beyond the ghost. We stand on the opposite shore. Hello, Ramona. I reach through mysterious ceilings, my only hope. I look for the things I don't know. I stand alone. Show me where the ending goes. Honest, honestly don't. I should be the last to know. We're all in this. I stand alone. Show me where the ending goes. Honest, honestly don't. I should be the last to know.
At the library. This is so random. I was reading a little bit here, getting ready to leave now though, and continue my day. I just wanted to pop in and say hello.
I mistook you for a dream. The engine glows. And I guess
I'm just sitting on a bench in the West Village, just hanging out. I'm about to go to the bookstore. I was talking to Michael on the phone a little bit, but they're doing like a little tour over there of the city. It's so cute. And he said that one of the buildings here is one of the oldest wooden buildings in the city. I think it's a Little Owl actually, or this like one right there. Oh, just trying to drink with my mask on. Am I okay?
I stand alone. Show me where the ending goes. Honest, honestly don't. I should be the last to know. We're all in this. I stand alone. Show me where the ending goes.
Hello everyone, I am in the park right now. Just walking around. I feel like my makeup's completely messed up. Just ignore that. This coffee I got from the Elk is so good. Almost finished my book actually. I have been so obsessed with this book. I started it about maybe two years ago. I never finished it. The 7 Husbands of Evelyn Hugo. I started it 2 years ago, stopped at page like 90 something, and I decided to start it back up this year. I'm now on page 311. I'm almost done though, so I stopped at a bookstore, picked up a new book. I got Daisy Jones and the Six, I believe. Same author. I love this author. I really like how she writes. I'm obviously back in my apartment. I've been here for a while, just cleaning up right now, and I'm watching The Real Housewives of Salt Lake City. I just started this. This is season 1 finale part 2. I never like to like really start a new series of The Housewives because it's usually a big commitment. You have to go through multiple seasons, but there's only 2 seasons for this one. I always feel like there's such a commitment to the other housewives, but since this only has 2 seasons, that's so easy, and I just can't. I have to start from the beginning. I need to know everything. So I started this. Michael told me to start it. I couldn't watch it all on demand because that's typically where I watch all my shows, but I had to get Peacock to watch some of the episodes for some reason. It is so juicy and very entertaining, so that's what I've been watching because I haven't been watching The Real Housewives of New York City. It's just not the same without Bethany. I can't watch it. And then also, who else left? Who else left? Oh my gosh. No. Oh my gosh. What is her name? Dorinda left. That's who I was thinking of. I could not think of her name. She left, and Bethany, so it's just not the same. And then I just finished Beverly Hills recently, so I needed to find something else. I'm on Salt Lake City. I'm into it.
2 shots of espresso, 2 shots of vodka, 2 shots of vodka, and then get the Mr. Black open. So if we're making 1, it would be a half shot each, but because we're making 2, we're gonna do a full shot of Mr. Black.
Oh.
And then a full shot of Kahlua.
We have to garnish with a little bean, but we don't have beans.
I know, we don't have beans. It's okay.
Beautiful, stunning, never been done before. Look at all of this snow that happened last night. I cannot believe it because sometimes whenever they predict this, it never happens, but it snowed so much. This is the first real true snowstorm, and I woke up in the middle of the night at 3 a.m. and my room was completely white. It was just snowing so hard. It's still snowing a little bit, not too much. I think it's supposed to stop soon, but our first real snow. I just woke up. I'm going to eat something, and then I'm going to head down to a cafe, finish my book. I have 50 pages left. I want to finish it. It's so good. Last night I started crying. I just can't believe what happened in it. Hello everyone! I'm in Central Park. It is so cold, and I finished my book at a cafe. It was so good, but I wanted to see Central Park while the snow was still here. So many people were like making snowmen, and the dogs are running around, kids are playing. It's just so beautiful. But yeah, I'm just walking around myself. It's very cold. I'm probably gonna leave soon and head back because I'm getting very cold. I just got back. I wanted to show you how funny my outfit is because right now, I don't know if you can really see. Right now, it looks pretty normal. Cute. Okay, so the jacket I'm wearing, it only really looked good with a black turtleneck. My favorite black turtleneck, the only one I really have that's a full length, is in Pittsburgh at home. So this is what I did. Okay, still looks pretty normal, right? This is the only black turtleneck that I had, and it's a tank top. So I literally have this on and then a long sleeve under it. This just looks so weird. Gotta do what you gotta do for the fit. This is so weird. I need to take a shower. I also got so many compliments today on my jacket. Everyone was so nice, but I got this from that sample sale, the Kubels, I believe, their sample sale in the city a few months ago. I really lucked out. This jacket was so expensive. I think it was like $1,500. I forget how much I got it for. I really can't remember, but I paid way less than half. I don't know if they still have it. There's like some, I think this is just sticker on it. Actually, I need to get that off. We'll try to link it down below if I can still find it. I got a size 2 for reference. It is so warm and thick though. I felt so warm outside with it on. I showed you guys this yesterday, but I picked up this book at a local bookstore in the West Village. I'm going to start it. It's by the same author. I've heard super amazing things about this book too.